Welcome back, guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to censor a face in After Effects along with another censor effect that could maybe tie in your video more better. Starting off, the first thing you want to do is double click on a clip to open up a layer. Then you want to head over here, click on our rotor brush tool. Then the first thing you want to do is go to the beginning of your clip, and I'm just going to bring it down right here, and you're going to want to start masking out his head or his face. So I would say maybe about just, getting rid of mostly a lot of the white spots in the background. You just want to go ahead and rotoscope him through. So once after you're done masking out the first frame, you want to head over to our preview. Then you just want to play it through. Make sure there's no issues. So it's going to play it through. And actually his face is going to get in the way. So not his face, his fingers. So I'm just going to go through it. Right there, and with this you just want to troubleshoot and go through it and fix it. And then you want to head over here and then freeze our rotor brush, and basically what this is going to do is just prevent it from moving anymore. It's going to freeze our rotor brush right there. So once after I'm done freezing our rotoscoping his head out or his face, you can see it's a pretty good rotoscope. And if you wanted to make it a bit more nicer, you could head over to shift edge, just bring it down a bit. You could also bring up the feather, so right here. Next, you want to duplicate our clip right here, so it's going to be two of our clips with the rotor brush. I'm going to head towards the clip on the bottom, duplicate it. I'm going to delete the rotor brush effect. First effect I'm at is colorama, and this one's actually optional. I just like how it looks. So I'm gonna head over here to ramp red right here. Then I'm gonna head over to our modify, then go to hue, and it's just gonna replace the color of his actual, I think it's a turban, and his hair. So once after that, I'm gonna take off our colorama box, and then I'm gonna add mosaic. And this is actually gonna be the first effect that you could censor his face out. So right now at this moment, I mean, it's not really censoring it out, but that's just because there's only a couple of blocks. So I'm just gonna bring it up maybe to 350. You can already see the effect coming through. So you can already see the censored effect. So I think maybe dragging a bit down. That's actually one of the censored effects right here. You can just keep it bare bones. I mean, it looks okay. It's not the coolest effect in my own opinion. So if you actually want to spice it up more and give it more of a nice effect, I'm gonna put glow. Gonna head back down here. I'm gonna add glow. Then I'm gonna bring up our radius a bit more down. Bring down our threshold so it's more increased. Bring up our intensity. Bring down our threshold a bit. I'll bring up our threshold a bit more. Our threshold, our radius, and then bring up our threshold a bit more right there. I think it is actually really good. I'm gonna take off glow right there. And then for our next and final effect, I can really tie it in, but right here it looks pretty good. You're able to make out his face a bit more, but if you want to give it a more censored effect, you can add an actual blur effect, or right here, radial blur, and it's actually gonna fully censor out his whole face. It's hard to make it out. So if you want to actually censor out a person's face or your own face, this is probably the best way to do it. It's hard to make out his own face, and if I were to just have the radial blur effect, you can see that it's fully censored out. You can also add maybe mosaic, give it a more centered look. But apart from that, is actual final effects in order to create a censored face effect in After Effects. Make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. With that all out of the way, make sure to stay creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.